Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. This item is a collaboration between Adidas and Jeremy Scott designers. I'll introduce a collaboration item. This is Jeremy Scott's cute teddy bear shoes, who collaborated with Adidas with a new one from MovinsEdition. Adidas meets Jeremy Scott design. Especially enjoy cute gold teddy bear sneakers with open arms. A cute teddy bear. Even if you don't have to wear it, just display it as a decoration. It will be good for the interior. The point of this item. The face of the teddy bear with open arms. It's a funny model. I can't help but admit his sense of humor. It's too cute for Alex to see. Adidas and Jeremy Scott created a festive model with the Adidas Jeremy Scott Holiday Bear. Available in gold, they feature a large bear head on the tongue, all over glitter design, ribbon-like laces, and a rubber outsole complete with glitter details. It looks like there are two baby teddy bears. Jeremy Scott Adidas Gold Teddy Bear Sneakers. Jeremy Scott. This is a cute teddy bear shoes collaboration with Adidas. Adidas meets Jeremy Scott design. Especially cute gold teddy bear sneakers with open arms. See you again.